edit में थोड़ा, see any edit that happens for a film happens for the betterment of the film. I don't know what has happened otherwise, but what I was told कि थोड़ा इधर उधर editing हुई है. So I was like, yeah, fine with it. But when I saw the film, I thought it was fantabulous. It's a fabulous film. Just wait and watch out for it.
आईपीएल का मैच स्टार्ट है आपकी?
मैं नहीं देख रही हूँ, सॉरी. मैं यहाँ हूँ आपके साथ, तो मुझे पूछना भी नहीं कुछ. It's too pre to speak about it. Work is still going on the script. तो आजकल कुछ साइन करने से पहले भी बात निकल जाती है पहले. You know, talent honestly means what one's passion is all about. क्योंकि only जब तक उस talent के लिए आपको passion नहीं होगा, आप उसमें excel नहीं करोगे. तो अगर आप जी जान से you work on your that talent, which what today's show is all about. Let's come back to Religare. Egon Religare's What's Your Talent? That is what today's show is all about. It's about people's passion. Ordinarily, like she said, hidden talent सबका होता है. आप एक normal office में इधर उधर भागम भाग कर रहे हो, but for your release, for your comfort, for your to keep the sanity of your mind, you might just be playing the sitar or the guitar or the piano or just singing, just to remove that little bit, get that peace of mind for yourself. So that, I believe, whatever you do with a passion is your talent.
How much importance is talent?
Importance, I believe everybody has a talent. Everybody has some kind of, anyone could have a talent, even having one of the most beautiful handwritings, which could be as good as calligraphy, So it's not necessary that it has to be only singing, acting, dancing, which is mostly showcased these days. It could be just about anything. It could be just cooking up a great dish in exactly 2 minutes. So yeah, for me even that's talent.
Today, Andaz Apna Apna completes 21 years. It was a cult classic. It still is. We still remember. What are the memories that you probably have of it looking back? And at that time, did you think it would go on to become such a, such a remembered film so many years later?
Sorry?
With Amir and Salman.
Yes. Honestly, when we were shooting for it, we were having a whale of a time. We were all very, very young. I remember Lolo and me were almost straight out of school. It was a comedy, even on screen and off screen, because though we were all playing the best buddies in the film, but everyone was fighting with everyone, and that was the best part about it. But at that time, we did not realize. We knew that it'll be a great film because it was the era of actually double meaning dialogues and double meaning songs and that kind of comedy, And suddenly there was this clean family, straight-faced kind of comedy, which was intelligent comedy, which I think was a little before its time at that time. But now it's a cult film and people are recognizing its true value and we are very, very happy about it. Thank you. हाँ जी. देखिए, हर एक की किसी की कोई यूनिकता होती है, तो वो जब उभर के उस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ करता है, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, आप अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं. तो हर टैलेंट कंपटीशन में जब जजेस देखते हैं तो ये देखते हैं कि आप में क्या कॉन्फिडेंस है, आप किस तरीके से कर रहे हैं और प्रेजेंटेशन क्या है, वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. थैंक यू. बिल्कुल. What are you doing ahead for the promotion when they win, after they win?
Yeah, so today we will release a CD of the 10 participants.
What are you planning for?
Yeah, so what we will, so this is for the customers we have done, so we'll send this to all the customers and next year we will repeat a similar event, so it will encourage more customers to participate.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you very much.
बहुत सुंदर होने वाला था अभी. हेलो गुड इवनिंग, कैसे हो आप?
अब तक तो अच्छी थी, अब पता नहीं आप क्या हाल बनाने वाले हैं.
मैंने 22 लड़कियों को डेट किया है. मैंने उन सबको बोला एक बार येलो साड़ी पहन के आओ. उनमें से एक भी आपको जितनी खूबसूरत नहीं लगी आज तक.
लेकिन फिर आपको भी अक्षय कुमार लगना चाहिए ना.
Excuse me.
गलती से
Excuse me.
बन गया. रवीना, दिस इज अमेजिंग, आप यहाँ पे आए हो. एक्सक्यूज मी, मोबाइल.
लेकिन ये ऋषि कपूर हैं तो आप अच्छे हैं, क्योंकि जब मैं छोटी थी तब चिंटू जी भी सबको ही बोलते हैं कि ऋषि कपूर जो थे वो मेरे सबसे बड़े क्रश. तो इसलिए आई थिंक यू स्टिल हैव होप इन हेल्थ.
अच्छा हम अलग ही जाके बात कर लेते हैं. Yes, she is going to be the diamond of the event. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Raveena Tandon. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. All right. I must tell you, this is an event, a night of beauty, a night of talent, a night of showcasing what you have inside. But इसके पहले some niceties must be observed. कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो करना जरूरी है एक ऐसे इवेंट को.
Somebody asked me earlier when I was doing the press conference कि आपके मायने में talent का मतलब क्या है? For me, talent is something कि आपकी जो भी passion, खूबी नहीं. Because until and unless you don't have a passion for something or to do something or just something just to unwind, आप ऑफिस से आ रहे हो, आप थके हुए हो, आप बस या तो म्यूजिक सुनो या आप घर आके अपना सितार बजाओ या आप थोड़ा तबला. Everyone has a different outlet. चाहे आप एक म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ करें या आप थोड़ा गाएं, चाहे आपकी फैमिली भाग भी जाए घर से लेकिन आप अपना गाना ना छोड़ें, तो वो पैशन एक बहुत ज़रूरी है सबकी ज़िंदगी में. It could be anything. It could even be cooking. It could be, you like stitching, embroidery, और आप 2 मिनट में फटाफट कुछ हैंकरचीफ एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर लो. वो भी एक टैलेंट है अपने आप में. किसी की खूबसूरत हैंडराइटिंग होती है, वो एक टैलेंट है. कोई घर बैठे बैठे डूडल्स बनाता है, स्केचिंग करते हैं. एनीथिंग दैट इज़ योर पैशन इज़ योर टैलेंट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव. तो आज मैं कहूँगी कि यहाँ पे जितने कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं उन्होंने अपने पैशन को अपना टैलेंट बनाया है और आज आप लोगों के सामने प्रस्तुत करने वाले हैं. Now it's very very important for all of us to encourage them, because when an artist is performing, with my experience I know, the more you encourage the artist who's performing on stage, the better he or she does. So are we going to give them a very good hand? First of all, a big round of applause. And I want this round of applause to be heard after every performance, because that is what you will be contributing tonight for them. So give it your best, and with this I open tonight's Egon Religare 2015 What's Your Talent Open. So let's hear it, guys.
Thank you so much Raveena, thank you so much. इससे खूबसूरत ओपनिंग किसी भी शो की मैंने नहीं देखी है.